hopefully with this cold front.
Yeah, no ice here. We are seeing big changes. We'll take it from rather mild to rather chilly this afternoon. Right now, your temperature in Corpus Christi is still 68 degrees, but that is going to change here pretty quickly. And by the afternoon, we will be sitting at 52 degrees. Here's a look at temperatures across the region as that frontal boundary is making its way through. We are down to 60 in Mathis and George West, 53 right now in Beeville, as they're getting some strong northerly winds across the area. That frontal boundary is right on the heels of Rockport, Robstown, Alice. Your temperatures dropping as we speak. Here's a look at our day planner for today. We have some patchy fog this morning, especially across our coastal waters. And then there's a chance for a little bit of rain and temperatures falling. Notice 67 at 7 a.m., 55 there by 9 a.m. And then we are going to stay in the 50s all day long. Not much in the way of sunshine today either. As this frontal boundary is moving through, you will notice some gusty winds. We're already seeing 28-mile-per-hour wind gusts through Mathis, nearing 30 miles per hour through Beeville. These windy conditions are expected to continue throughout the morning. Around 10 a.m., we could be dealing with some 30, 35, possibly even some isolated gusts closer to 40 miles per hour. And then into the afternoon, notice we do start to see it turn a little bit less gusty, but we're still dealing with 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. And then we finally start to relax those wind gusts overnight, and it will be less gusty on your Tuesday. Still rather breezy though, but not bad. Here's where that frontal boundary is now. You can kind of see it racing, those northerly winds racing out ahead, and we are seeing some showers developing right along and behind that front through George West up to Three Rivers, along 281, 59, and Refugio. You're starting to see some of those showers as well. There we go. Here we have it, very scattered in the region, and we also are seeing the windmills, wind turbines showing up right there, but all the green that is moving to the north, that is going to be some rain showers. We have the chance of rain again along and behind the front. Rain showers will taper off a bit heading into the afternoon, but then we are going to see another shot of rain early Tuesday morning that could actually result in a little bit higher rainfall totals before we do start to dry out heading into Wednesday. Here's a look at those rainfall totals across the region through this evening, not adding up to much, likely less than 1/10 of an inch. And then as we head into Tuesday, we'll add it up to possibly 1/10 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch across the area, which isn't much, right? Well, also, right now, we do have a dense fog advisory in place. That's until 8 a.m. That's in our coastal waters. And we have also, the wind that we will be dealing with is creating that small craft advisory through 9 p.m. Temperatures staying in the 50s both today and tomorrow. We get up to 66 on Wednesday, 73 on your Thursday. More sunshine though. Then windy conditions return on Friday. We have a low chance of showers. That's our next cold front going to make its way through, cooling things off for Saturday.
Thank you, Carl.